Hello dear students, welcome to my channel. In this episode, we are going to discuss indefinite integrals, exercise 6b. In that third Roman letter we are there. In previous sessions, we discussed first and second sections. That means first bit and second bit we have completed. Now we are entering into the third bit. In this complete video, we are discussing about that exercise 6b. In the third section, from I think 1 to 21 questions are there. All the questions we are going to discuss in this session. Okay, let us have a discussion on the first problem. Integral sin 2x divided by a cos square x plus b sin square x into dx. Even this problem also a substitution method of integration. So here what we have to take as a substitution? The denominator we can take as d, put a cos square x plus b sin square x is equal to t, differentiate with respect to x. So a constant, d by dx of cos square x, it is in the form of f of x whole power n. The derivative of f of x whole power n is n into f of x whole power n minus 1. Again f of x we have to differentiate, f dash of x. So here f of x is cos x. So 2 into cos x whole power 2 minus 1, that is 1, no need to write. Again cos x we have to differentiate, sin x minus sin x, d by dx of cos x is minus sin x. Once again I will repeat, d by dx of cos square x, 2 into cos x whole power 2 minus 1, again cos x derivative is minus sin x, plus b into, it is in the form of again f of x whole power n is equal to 2, here f of x is sin x. So 2 into sin x whole power 2 minus 1, again sin x derivative is cos x, which is equal to t derivative with respect to x is dt by dx. In these two terms, we observe that 2 sin x cos x, 2 sin x cos x common term is there. So you have to take common 2 sin x cos x from LHS. That implies that 2 sin x into cos x. After taking common this one, first you have to write positive term 2 sin x cos x here. This coefficient is b. 2 sin x cos x, if you take common, minus a is the remaining term. So minus a, and dx also you are taking this side is equal to dt. We know that 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. That implies sin 2x into b minus a into dx is equal to dt. But I want, according to the question, sin x sin 2x into dx as dt, no? So here I want only sin 2x into dx. So d by b minus a we can take this side. Sin 2x into dx is equal to dt divided by b minus a. Now come to the given integral. Integral sin 2x divided by a cos square x plus b sin square x into dx is equal to integral. In place of sin 2x into dx, you have to replace by dt by b minus a. In that b minus a is constant, we can take outside of the integral 1 by b minus a into dt divided by this value we are assumed as t. It is in the form of 1 by b minus a integral 1 by t dt. We have formula integral 1 by x dx. Integral 1 by x dx is equal to log mod x plus c. So integral 1 by t dt is log mod t. 1 by b minus a log mod t plus c. So now in place of t substitute what we assumed here, which is equal to 1 by b minus a log mod a cos square x plus b sin square x plus c. Therefore, integral sin 2x into dx divided by a cos square x plus b sin square x into dx is equal to 1 by b minus a into log mod a cos square x plus b sin square x plus c. This is the conclusion step. We have completed that. The next question, integral 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x into dx. So here, integral 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. First, tan x in terms of sine and cos we have to write. We know that tan x is equal to sin x by cos x. So substitute that value. Integral 1 minus sin x divided by cos x whole divided by 1 plus sin x by cos x into dx, which is equal to integral, take LCM in the numerator as well as denominator. So cos x minus sin x divided by sin x after taking LCM in the numerator. Same procedure in the denominator itself. Cos x is the LCM, cos x plus sin x into dx. We know that cos x get cancelled, which is equal to integral cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x into dx. After that, put cos x minus plus sin x is equal to t, denominator. I am assuming that as t. Differentiate with respect to x. Cos x derivative is minus sin x. Sin x derivative is cos x is equal to t derivative with respect to x, dt by dx. Cross multiply. So first positive term you write cos x minus sin x into dx, also we can take this sign, is equal to dt. Now observe that this integral cos x minus sin x into dx, cos x minus sin x into dx, in place of the numerator you have to replace with dt, and in the denominator cos x plus sin x you have to replace with t. Therefore this integral will becomes, which is equal to, in place of this you have to replace with dt divided by, in place of cos x plus sin x is t, which is equal to integral 1 by t. Just now I discussed it. Integral 1 by x is what? Log mod x. Integral 1 by t is log mod t plus c. In place of t, what we have to substitute? Cos x plus sin x. Therefore, log mod cos x plus sin x plus c, that is equal to, therefore, conclusion step, integral 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x dx is equal to log mod cos x plus sin x plus c. We'll move to the next question. Integral cot of log x by x into dx. This is important for 2 marks. It doesn't mean that this is not important, but this is also important. Integral cot of log x by x. Here, which function you have to take assumption as t? Whatever the function is involving in other trigonometry function, that you have to take assumption. So log x is the function which is involving in cot trigonometry function. So put log x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. log x derivative is 1 by x is equal to t derivative is dt by dx. Now cross multiply. 1 by x into dx is equal to dt. So the given integral will becomes integral cot of log x divided by x into dx is equal to integral. In place of log x you have to write as t cot of t into 1 by x into dx is dt. Here 1 by x into dx is there, dt. So integral cot x, we know that formula, integral cot x log mod sin x, which is equal to log mod sin t plus c. Again in place of t what we have to replace? Log x, which is equal to log mod sin of log x plus c. Therefore integral cot of log x divided by x into dx is equal to log of mod sin of log x plus c. The next question, integral e power x into cot of e power x into dx. E power x is the function which is involving in cot trigonometry function. So e power x we have to assume as t. Put e power x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. E power x derivative is e power x. D by dx of e power x is e power x. T derivative with respect to x is dt by dx. So cross multiply. E power x into dx is equal to dt. After getting of this step, now come to the given question. Integral e power x into cot of e power x into dx is equal to integral. In place of e power x into dx, you have to replace with the dt and cot t. So cot t into dt, which is equal to log mod integral cot x log mod sin x. So integral cot t is log mod sin t plus c, which is equal to log mod sin of, in place of t substitute e power x. What we assumed here, that we have to replace. Therefore integral e power x into cot of e power x dx is log mod sin e power x plus c. The next question, question number 5. Integral secant of tan x into secant square x dx. So integral secant of tan x, that means tan x is the function which is involves in the function secant x. So first whatever the function is involving, that we can assume as t. So put tan x is equal to t, differentiate with respect to x. So tan x derivative is secant square x is equal to dt by dx. So cross multiply. Secant square x into dx is equal to dt. Now in place of secant square x dx, you have to replace with dt, and the given integral will becomes integral secant of tan x into secant square x dx is equal to integral tan x is equal to t, no? So it will become secant t. In place of secant square x dx, dt, which is equal to integral secant x. We have formula. Integral secant x is log mod secant x plus tan x. Log mod secant x plus tan x. That means secant t plus tan t plus c, which is equal to, wherever t is there, what we have to replace? Tan x. So log of secant of log x, secant of tan x plus tan of tan x plus c. forgot to write one more step also in case not only log of integral secant x is log of secant x plus tan x, but also another formula is there. From this we can write another formula also, which is equal to log mod tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. Here x is equal to what? T by 2. Even like this also we can write another method. I am saying another formula. Not only log of secant x plus tan x, but also log mod tan pi by 4 plus t by 2. In place of t, substitute what we assumed here, we can. So log of tan of pi by 4 plus tan x by 2. Tan x by 2 plus c. Even this formula also we can write. Till here also correct answer. But if you want to write more steps, log mod tan of pi by 4 plus t by 2. And in place of t, substitute tan x by 2. Now come to the sixth question. Integral square root of sin x into root sin x into cos x dx. Here, suppose if you take root sin x is there. So the function is containing whole power 1 by 2. So whatever the function is there here, this function we can assume as t. So integral. Okay, so directly you can take, put sin x is equal to t, differentiate with respect to x. So sin x derivative is cos x is equal to t derivative is dt by dx, cross multiply cos x into dx is equal to dt. Therefore, in place of cos x dx, you have to replace dt. And the given integral will becomes integral root t into dt. We know that integral root x is, what is integral root x? 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2 plus c, which is equal to integral root t dt. Suppose if you do not remember formula, I will write it. We can make into power form, that is t power 1 by 2 you can write. Once again I am explaining how to get. Now onwards you remember the formula, integral root x is 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2. But I am explaining how it will come. Integral root t dt, t power 1 by 2. It is in the form of integral x power n only, no? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1, which is equal to t power 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1. Wherever we are getting next time this type of function, integral root x dx, integral root t dt, integral root y into dy, like this, directly you can write as a formula form, which is equal to t power 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 plus c. So it is the denominator of denominator numerator, 2 by 3 into t power 3 by 2. I already said that. In place of t, substitute again what we assumed here, sin x, which is equal to 2 by 3 into sin x whole power 3 by 2 plus c. So now integral root x into root sin x into cos x dx is 2 by 3 into sin x whole power 3 by 2 plus c. The next question, integral tan power 4x into secant square x dx. See here, it's very easy and important problem. Integral tan x whole power 4, that can be written as tan x whole power 4. Tan power 4x can be written as tan x whole power 4 into secant square x dx. Put tan x is equal to t, differentiate with respect to x. Tan x derivative is secant square x is equal to t derivative with respect to x is dt by dx. So dx we can take this side. Secant square x dx is equal to dt. Now in place of secant square x dx, you have to replace with dt. This is equal to integral t power 4 into dt. Integral t power 4, we know that t power 5 by 5. Why? Because integral x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1. What is t here? Tan x. So tan x whole power 5 divided by 5 plus c. Come to the next question. Integral 2x plus 3 by square root of x square plus 3x minus 4 into dx. This function I am assuming as t. Put x square plus 3x minus 4 is equal to d. Differentiate with respect to x. So x square derivative is 2x plus 3x derivative is 3. d by dx of x square is 2x. d by dx of 3x, 3 constant to take outside, d by dx of x is 1. So 3 into 1 is 3. d by dx of constant is 0, which is equal to t derivative with respect to x is dt by dx. Cross multiply. 2x plus 3 into dx is equal to dt. So in place of 2x plus 3 into dx is dt. Therefore, integral dt by root t. In previous sessions, I told that integral 1 by root x is 2 root x. So integral 1 by root t dt is 2 root t plus c, which is equal to 2 root of x square plus 3x minus 4 plus c. Integral 2x plus 3 divided by square root of x square plus 3x minus 4 into dx is equal to 2 root of x square plus 3x minus 4 plus c. We will go to the next question. Integral cosecant square x into root cot x into dx. So here, which function I have to assume as t? What is the derivative of cot x? Minus cosecant square x. So here cosecant square x is there. So we have to assume cot x as t. So put cot x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. d by dx of cot x minus cosecant square x is equal to t derivative with respect to x dt by dx. Cross multiply cosecant square x into dx minus is equal to dt. But I want only positive cosecant square x dx. What we have to do? Multiply on both sides by minus. Cosecant square x into dx is equal to minus dt. Now, in place of cosecant square x into dx, you have to replace with minus dt, and this given integral will becomes integral root cot dx into cosecant square x dx is equal to integral, in place of cosecant square x dx minus dt, in place of cot x t, so root t into minus dt. Minus we can take outside of the integral, minus integral root t dt. Just now we discussed that in the previous problem. Integral root x. Integral root x is equal to 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2 plus c. In place of x t is there. Therefore, minus 2 by 3 t power 3 by 2 plus c. Now in place of t, substitute cot x, which is equal to minus 2 by 3 cot x whole power 3 by 2 plus c. Therefore, the given integral cot x root cot x into cosecant square x dx is equal to minus 2 by 3 cot x whole power 3 by 2 plus c. We'll come to the next question. This type of problem, this question also they asked number of times in intermediate public exam. Both are important. All the questions are important for 2 marks. Very short answer questions. Integral secant x into log of secant x plus tan x into dx. Here log of secant x plus dx. Secant x into log of secant x plus tan x into dx. In the first year 1B, the same type of problem is there. If y is equal to log of secant x plus tan x, then find f dash of x or dy by dx. So, if you assume this one as t, the remaining will become as dt. Therefore, integral, once again I am writing the question. First you write log of secant x plus tan x into dx into secant x dx. First you have to write in the formula format form. So put log of secant x plus tan x is t. Log of secant x plus tan x is equal to t. We know that the derivative of log f of x is 1 by f of x. Again f of x also differentiate. So differentiate with respect to x. d by dx of log of secant x plus tan x is 1 by secant x plus tan x. Into d by dx of secant x tan x plus d by dx of tan x secant square x is equal to t derivative with respect to x dt by dx. Now from these two take common secant x, so it will becomes secant x into tan x plus secant square x, secant x divided by secant x plus tan x is equal to dt by dx. So these two will be cancelled, secant x plus tan x will be cancelled. After that dx we can take this side. Secant x into dx is equal to dt. Now in place of secant x dx you have to replace with dt. In place of log secant x plus tan x is t. The given integral will becomes integral t into dt. This value is t, this value is dt. Integral t dt, integral x dx, x square by 2. Integral t dt is t square by 2 plus c. In place of t substitute log of secant x plus tan x, which is equal to log of secant x plus tan x whole square divided by 2 plus c. The given integral secant x into log of secant x plus tan x dx is equal to log of secant x plus tan x whole square by 2 plus c. The next question, integral sin cube x into dx. We didn't have direct formula for sin cube x. So first we have to write the formula for sin 3x. In that make subject as sin cube x term. See that sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. This is the formula for sin 3x. From that we are making subject sin cube x. So minus 4 sin cube x we are taking this side. Sin 3x we are taking this side. Therefore 4 sin cube x is equal to 3 sin x minus sin 3x. Just we interchange this term as well as this term. I want only sin cube x, no 4 we can take this side. Therefore sin cube x is equal to each and every term of this one divided by 4. 3 by 4 sin x minus 1 by 4 into sin 3x. Therefore, in place of sin cube x in the given integral, you have to write this value. Integral. In place of sin cube x, we are replacing this value. 3 by 4 sin x minus 1 by 4 sin 3x into dx. After that, each and every term you have to integrate. Integral 3 by 4 constant you can take outside. Integral sin x into dx minus 1 by 4 constant you can take outside. Integral sin 3x into dx. We know that integral sin x is minus cos x, which is equal to 3 by 4 minus cos x minus 1 by 4 integral sin 3x minus cos 3x by 3. After completing of integration plus c. Sir, why sir here only integral sin x is minus cos x 0, here integral sin 3x is minus cos 3x by 3 means we have formula in integration. Integral sin ax dx is equal to minus cos ax divided by a plus c. So a is equal to what here? 3. That is the reason minus cos 3x by 3 plus c. Here also sin x, a value is 1 here. If you compare with sin ax, a is equal to 1. Therefore, integral sin x is minus cos x by 1. Here, otherwise cos x by minus 1. X coefficient is what here? 1. So, minus cos x by 1. Minus cos x. If you want to take common, you can take it common. Otherwise, leave it. You can write as it. Minus into minus is plus now. First, you have to write positive term. After that, negative term. So 1 by 4 take common from these two terms. First positive term cos 3x by 3 minus 1 by 4 already I have taken. The remaining term is 3 into cos x plus c. Therefore, integral sin cube x dx equal to 1 by 4 into cos 3x by 3 minus 3 into cos x plus c. Otherwise, still here also correct answer. Now, same type of question, integral cos cube x into dx. This question by using the sin 3x formula we have taken. Even here also cos 3x formula we can write, and from that cos cube x make it a subject and get it to answer. Even not only the formula form but also sin cube x or cos cube x. First cos cube x we can write it as cos square x into cos x. So cos square x in terms of sin we have to write. Instead of going this way, this question I will approach a different method. Observe carefully, dear students. Instead of applying by using the cos 3x or sin 3x, I am applying direct method. Integral cos cube x can be written as cos square x into cos x into dx. Now cos square x can be written as 1 minus sin square x. 1 minus sin square x into cos x. Now actual multiplication, that means each and every term of this bracket value multiplying by cos x. So integral 1 into cos x into dx minus integral sin square x into cos x into dx, which is equal to integral cos x dx. What is integral cos x dx? Sin x minus, here how to proceed? Put sin x is equal to t for the second term. For this I am taking here. Differentiate with respect to x. Sin x derivative is cos x equal to t derivative with respect to x, dt by dx. So cross multiplying, cos x into dx is equal to dt. Keep in bracket. Now in place of cos x dx, you have to write dt. Therefore integral sin square x, it will become t square. Cos x dx will become dt. So sin x minus integral x power n, it is in the form of integral x square. So x power 3 by 3, integral t square, t power 3 divided by 3 plus c. In place of t, what we have to replace? Sin x, which is equal to sin x minus sin x whole cube, that means sin cube x divided by 3 plus c. Therefore, integral cos cube x into dx is equal to sin x minus sin cube x divided by 3 plus c. Even the previous question also you have to approach in this way. In the previous question, sin cube x can be written as sin square x into sin x. Sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos square x. After that, you can proceed that way. You will get that answer. If you have any doubt, write to my inbox. I will tell that also. The next question. Integral cos x into cos 2x into dx. Whenever integration of product of two functions, whether it is the product of two trigonometry functions are there, especially sine and cos, you have to apply transformation formulas. See here, the function is here cos x into cos 2x. Before these two functions, if you put 2, it is in the form of 2 cos a cos b. To get the formula form, what we are going to do is multiplying and dividing by 2. After that, one more thing you have to observe. Here, first function always you take as big angle compared with x and 2x. In these two, 2x is big. So, product of AB means B also can write now according to our convenience. 2 into cos 2x into cos x into dx. It is in the form of 2 cos a cos b. We have formula in trigonometry. 2 cos a cos b is equal to cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. So where a is equal to 2x, b is equal to x. So half into integral of, keep bracket, cos of 2x plus x plus cos of 2x minus x into dx, which is equal to half into integral cos of 2x plus x is 3x plus cos of 2x minus x is x into dx. So each and every term you have to integrate, which is equal to half into, keep bracket, integral cos 3x into dx plus integral cos x into dx. Integral cos ax, we have formula. Integral cos ax dx is equal to sin ax by a. Therefore, a is equal to, in this term, it is 3. So, 1 by 2 sin 3x divided by 3 plus integral cos x is sin x plus, therefore the integral cos x into cos 2x dx is half into sin 3x by 3 plus sin x plus c. Here also same procedure you have to follow, same type of question, just multiplying and dividing by 2 and do it. See that 1 by 2 integral 2 into cos x into cos 3x dx. First you have to write big angle. 1 by 2 integral 2 into cos 3x into cos x, which is equal to half into, here directly I am writing integral. Why? Because here already we mentioned the formula. Cos of a plus b 3x plus x plus cos of a minus b 3x minus x into dx. Each and every term you have to integrate. 1 by 2 integral cos 4x dx plus integral cos 2x into dx, which is equal to 1 by 2 integral cos 4x sin 4x by 4 plus integral cos 2x sin 2x by 2 plus c. The next question, integral cos power 4x into dx. So here integral cos power 4x can be written as cos square x whole square. Cos square x into cos square x. Cos square x whole square. We know that formula for cos square x in trigonometry. Cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. This is the formula in trigonometry. 1 plus cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x. So in place of cos square x, you have to replace with 1 plus cos 2x by 2. So this will becomes integral 1 plus cos 2x by 2 whole square into dx, which is equal to integral, first denominator whole square is 4 will come now. So I am writing here 1 by 4. The remaining expansion a plus b whole square, 1 plus cos square 2x plus 2 into cos 2x into dx, which is equal to 1 by 4 integral 1 into dx plus integral cos square 2x into dx plus 2 constant to take outside, integral cos 2x into dx, which is equal to 1 by 4 integral dx x plus integral cos square 2x. Again we have to write cos square x formula. Here cos square x is there, means here 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Here cos square 2x is there, means here the angle will be double. Therefore integral 1 plus cos 2 into 2x 4x by 2 into dx plus 2 into integral cos 2x sin 2x by 2. After completing of this integration, we can write as plus c. Here 2 get cancelled. Now simplifying 1 by 4, keep bracket x plus here 1 by 2 we can take outside, integral 1 into dx plus integral cos 4x into dx, bracket close, plus sin 2x, therefore which is equal to 1 by 4 x plus 1 by 2, integral dx is x plus integral cos 4x sin 4x by 4, bracket close, plus in sin 2x. Now integration completed means now you have to write plus c. Now each and every term multiplying by, including c also can do that, anyway c by 4 is also c. Each and every term multiplying by 4, x by 4 plus 1 by 4 into 1 by 2, 1 by 8, that means x by 8 plus 4 for the 16 sin 4x divided by 16 plus sin 2x by 4 plus c. Like this you have to do the sum, integral cos square x whole square, that means cos power 4x. Even if you want to simplify, you can simplify here, both x terms are there na? Here LCM you can take, for these two total LCM is 16, 4 4 means 4x plus 8 2 2x plus sin 4x plus 4 sin 2x plus c, which is equal to 6x plus sin 2x, sorry, sin 4x plus 4 sin 2x divided by 16 plus even like this also. Even we cannot simplify compulsory, but we have to write whenever both extremes are there, making it to single term, single polynomial, and write it. The next question, integral root of 4x plus 3 into dx. Whenever like these problems are there, under root value is equal to t square, you can assume that. After that, from that x make as a subject. See here, put under root value. What is under root value here? 4x plus 3. 4x plus 3 is equal to t square. This value. Differentiate with respect to x. 4 into x derivative is 1 plus constant derivative 0, t square derivative is 2t, and t derivative with respect to x is dt by dx. Now cross multiply. 4 into dx is equal to 2t dt. Both sides dividing by 2, it will become 2 dx is equal to tt dt. T dt. 2 ones are 2 2s are. But I want only dx now in this. So dx is equal to t by 2 into dt. That is about dx. After that, from the given assumption, make x as a, why? Because here x is there, no? From this x make as a subject. 4x plus 3 is equal to t square. From that implies that 4x is equal to t square minus 3. That implies x is equal to t square minus 3 divided by 4. So wherever x is there, you have to replace this one. The given integral will becomes integral x into square root of 4x plus 3 into dx, which is equal to integral, in place of x, t square minus 3 divided by 4. In place of root 4x plus 3, that means root 4x plus 3 is equal to t square. In place of dx, t by 2 into dt. Now which is equal to integral t square minus 3 divided by 4. Step by step you have to write. Root t square means t into t divided by 2 into dt. So 2 into 4 is 8. We can take outside constant 1 by 8. Integral t square minus 3 into t into 2 is t square into dt, which implies that integral x into square root of 4x plus 3 into dx is equal to 1 by 8. Each and every term multiply t square into t square, 3 into t square. So integral t power 4 into dt minus 3 constant to take outside, integral t square into dt, which is equal to 1 by 8. What is integral t power 4? Integral x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So integral t power 4 is t power 5 divided by 5 minus 3 into integral t square. Integral t square means t power 3 divided by 3 plus c after integration. So here 3 get cancelled. In place of t, 4x plus 3 is equal to t square. I will write it here 1 by 8 t power 5 by 5 minus t power 3 plus c, since 4x plus 3 is equal to t square, that implies t is equal to square root of 4x plus 3 or 4x plus 3 whole power 1 by 2. So wherever t is there, we have to write 4x plus 3 whole power 1 by 2. Therefore, this answer will becomes 1 by 8, 4x plus 3 whole power 1 by 2 whole power 5. That means whole power 5 by 2 divided by 5 minus t power 3. 4x plus 3 whole power 3 whole power 1 by 2. 3 into 1 by 2. 3 by 2 divided by only 1 by 2 by 1 plus c. Wherever t is there, 4x plus 3 whole power 1 by 2 writing. 4x plus 3 whole power 1 by 2 whole power 5. 1 by 2 into 5 is 5 by 2 minus t power 3. 4x plus 3 whole power 1 by 2 whole power 3. 4x plus 3 whole power 3 by 2 plus 1. Like this you have to do the sum. Are you able to understand all of you? This is the way you have to do that. Slowly, step by step, you have to do that. The next question, integral dx by square root of a square minus b plus cx whole square. B plus cx is equal to d and then proceed. So here first put b plus cx is equal to t, differentiate with respect to x, b constant, it will become 0, d by dx of constant. Constant into function, whenever constant into function is there while differentiating, constant you can take outside and the rest of the function you have to differentiate. D by dx of x is 1 is equal to t derivative with respect to x, dt by dx. So that implies that c is equal to dx, you can take this side, c dx is equal to dt, but I want only dx. So c also you can take this side, dx is equal to dt by c. After that, the given integral will becomes integral 1 by square root of a square minus b plus cx value is t square. In place of dx, dt by c. So 1 by c constant you can take outside, integral 1 by square root of a square minus t square into dt. We have formula, integral 1 by root of a square minus x square into dx is equal to sine inverse x by a plus c. So in place of x, t is there. This formula will becomes 1 by c sine inverse of t by a plus c. What is t we assumed here? B plus cx, which is equal to 1 by c sine inverse of b plus cx divided by a plus c. This is the way we have to do that. We'll come to the next question, same type of model. Here also b plus cx is equal to t and proceed, but the formula is different. Put b plus cx is equal to t, differentiate with respect to x, constant derivative 0, plus c into x derivative is 1, t derivative with respect to x is dt by dx. That implies that c dx is equal to dt, cross multiply. That implies that dx is equal to dt by c. Now the given integral will becomes integral 1 by a square plus t square. This value is t square. In place of dx, dt by c. So 1 by c constant you can take outside. Integral 1 by a square plus t square into dt. It is in the form of integral 1 by a square plus x square. Integral 1 by a square plus x square into dx is equal to 1 by a into tan inverse x by a plus c. So in place of x, t is there, which is equal to 1 by c into 1 by a tan inverse t by a plus c. But in place of t, what we have to substitute? B plus cx, but which is equal to 1 by ac or ca tan inverse of b plus cx divided by a plus c. Next question, very important for 2 marks, very short answers question. This type of question they will ask. Integral 1 by 1 plus e power x into dx. Evaluate integral 1 by 1 plus e power x. So, how to do this problem is, in denominator 1 plus e power x is there, in the numerator 1 is there. So, now what I am doing is, integral 1, in the denominator e power x is there, means adding and subtracting e power x to the numerator, and the denominator will be same, 1 plus e power x into dx. After that, numerator we can split into 2 terms, which is equal to integral 1 plus e power x minus e power x divided by 1 plus e power x into dx. Now, split into 2 terms, 1 plus e power x divided by 1 plus e power x into dx minus integral e power x divided by 1 plus e power x into dx. 1 plus e power x, 1 plus e power x get cancelled, integral dx. Minus, here 2 processes are there, 2 methods are there. F dash of x by f of x you can write. Why? Because f of x is 1 plus e power x, the derivative is there in the numerator e power x. Otherwise, put 1 plus e power x is equal to t, differentiate with respect to x, constant derivative 0, plus e power x derivative is e power x, t derivative with respect to x is dt by dx. Cross multiply, e power x into dx is equal to dt. That's what we want. So in place of e power x into dx, you have to replace with the dt, integral dt by, this is t. We know that integral 1 by t is log mod t, which is equal to integral dx is x minus integral 1 by t log mod t plus c. In place of t, substitute 1 plus e power x. So x minus log mod 1 plus e power x plus c. That is integral 1 by 1 plus e power x into dx. Next question. Evaluate integral x square by a plus bx whole square into dx. So in the denominator a plus bx whole square is there. In the numerator only x square is there. So here a plus bx is equal to t, you can assume that. After that x make as a subject. Put a plus bx is equal to t. First calculate dx value by differentiating with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. A constant derivative 0 plus b into x derivative is 1. T derivative is dt by dx. Cross multiply b dx is equal to dt. That implies that dx is equal to dt by b. Dx value we got it. After that x also we need to convert. A plus bx is equal to t. So bx is equal to t minus a. Here we are taking the same one. So x we want. X is equal to t minus a by b. Now come to the given integral. Integral in place of x square, t minus a by b whole square divided by, this value is t square, in place of dx, dt by b. So now simplify step by step. T minus a by b whole square, t minus a whole square divided by, b whole square into 1 by d square, that also will come to there only, into 1 by b into dt. Simplify, which is equal to integral Here 1 by t square is there. Here also t minus a whole square by b square. So t minus a whole square by b square into 1 by t square into 1 by b into dt. b square into b cube we can take outside of the integral 1 by b cube. Integral t minus a whole square by t square, that can be written as t minus a by t whole square into dt. A square by b square means a by b whole square, which is equal to 1 by b cube integral, keep bracket, t by t minus a by t whole square into dt. Now expand and then integrate. 1 by b cube integral, here t get cancelled, 1 minus a by t square into a by t only, no sorry, a by t whole square into dt. Now a minus b whole square expansion, you do it and then integrate. 1 by b cube integral 1 plus a square by t square minus 2 into a by t into dt, which is equal to 1 by b cube into each and every term, integral 1 into dt plus a square constant you can take outside, integral 1 by t square into dt minus 2a constant, integral 1 by t dt. For each and every term we apply integration, which is equal to 1 by b cube, integral dt is t plus a square into integral 1 by x square. Integral 1 by x square is what? Minus 1 by x. So integral 1 by t square is minus 1 by t minus 2a into integral 1 by t log mod t plus c. Now wherever t is there, what we have to replace? A plus bx. So 1 by b cube into a plus bx minus a square by a plus bx minus 2a into log mod a plus bx plus c. Next question and last question in this section, third section, which is also important more. Evaluate integral x square by square root of 1 minus x into dx. Like in previous problems, 1 minus x, that we can assume as t. Put 1 minus x is equal to t square. Whenever under root is there, we can write under root value, we can take as t square. 1 minus x is equal to t square. T square you can take this side, minus x you can take this side. 1 minus t square is equal to x. Now differentiate with respect to x. Constant derivative 0, minus t square derivative is 2t. Again t derivative with respect to x, dt by dx is equal to x derivative is 1. That implies minus 2t dt is equal to dx. So wherever dx is there, we have to replace with minus 2t dt. After that, x value also we got it from here. In place of x square, substitute this value. Now come to the given integral. Integral in place of x square, 1 minus t square whole square divided by root t square into dx value is minus 2t dt, which is equal to square root of integral 1 minus t square whole square, a plus b whole square expansion, 1 a minus b whole square expansion, 1 plus t square whole square, t power 4 minus 2t square divided by root t square is t minus 2t dt. Here t get cancelled, minus 2 we can take this side constant, integral 1 into dt plus integral t power 4 into dt minus two constant integral t squared into dt, which is equal to minus 2 into integral dt t plus integral t power 4 t power 5 divided by 5 minus 2 into integral t squared t power 3 divided by 3 plus c. Now here minus is there, now each and every term multiplying by minus, which is equal to minus 2t power 5 divided by 5 minus into minus plus 4t power 3 divided by 3 plus c. So now first positive terms we write it, which is equal to integral x square by square root of 1 minus x into dx is equal to, first positive term I am writing 4 by 3 t power 3 minus 2 by 5 into t power 5 minus 2t plus c. Here 1 minus x is equal to t square, that implies that t is equal to x power 1 minus x whole power 1 by 2 or root 1 minus x or whole power 1 by 2. So 4 by 3 1 minus x whole power 1 by 2 whole power 3 minus 2 by 5 1 minus x whole power 1 by 2 whole power 5 minus 2 into t value, t is equal to 1 minus x whole power 1 by 2 plus c. This can be written as 4 by 3 1 minus x whole power 3 by 2 minus 2 by 5 into 1 minus x whole power 5 by 2 minus 2 into 1 minus x whole power 1 by 2 plus c. Thank you dear students for watching my videos. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Maths with Panindra. Thank you. Thank you dear students.